I'm Peter Vayne, personal trainer from Zap Fitness Kidman Park. Today I'm going to talk to you about using correct stance in boxing. Boxing, when done correctly, is great for developing strength, cardio fitness and coordination. Perfecting your stance is important to get all the basics right from the start. Firstly, if you're right-handed, using the orthodox stance, which is left foot in front, right foot to the rear at a 45-degree angle, and a 60-40 weight distribution favouring your left foot with soft knees. And if you're left-handed, using the southpaw stance, which is the same thing, but using your right foot in front.